There's a shrine here.
Did you enjoy your sex life or not? Saying you are not good in sex, bro.
I'm not what?
Yeah, your timing is not perfect.
I'm not satisfying the women, or?
And you can't satisfy any woman, bro. He's saying like.
I'm very bad in bed, apparently.
Very bad on
you can
bed,
see in
bro.
my hand. Real Naga Sadhu here. So now you never see your family anymore. So he can stay in the snow without freezing.
Anywhere, his place in the mountain, and you can follow him.
A lot of hours again here in the mountains. Now we came to like a holy city here, and yeah. So down here there is a small. There should be a small temple. Sometimes they also stay here, so we will see. And it's also here where the Ganga River meets another river. So that means it's yeah, it has some kind of meaning for them as well. So this place is also really holy. Let's see if there's some holy man in this temple. Walking in the streets here in Prayagraj, holy city as well. Small streets here, just next to the Ganga River. This guy, he has these, I don't know what it is, it's some kind of...
Wheat flour.
Yeah.
Fruit. Mixed fruit.
Okay, mixed fruit.
Yes.
With some kind of, yeah, you can see it.
Money. 50.
How much?
50.
50?
Yes.
For all, right?
Yes.
Okay. So then you will throw it out in the river?
Yes.
And then the fish come?
Yes.
And I can see?
Yes.
I'm not sure what this is, but yeah, I love a good surprise. So let's go down and see. Yes. So you will throw here?
Come.
Okay.
You can throw by yourself. You can.
No, I want to see the fish.
Okay. You need to remove your.
Okay.
Too low.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then I will throw. But go
You
down.
can make smallest pieces like half.
Yeah. We'll do that when we come down. Interesting. Now we're here where the rivers are crossing. It's a holy place here. As you can hear in the background, there's also some kind of drumming song going on. Anyway, this is the Ganga, and this is another river, and this is where they cross each other, and somehow that's why it's holy. You see her as well, making some spiritual stuff here. Like I don't know, what is she doing?
She's just doing worship.
Like worship,
Yeah.
from the Ganga River, because it's the holy water.
Yes.
So now I'll try to go a little closer here, and then I will throw this in the water.
You can make small pieces.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Can you take this?
Yes.
Okay, then I will make some small pieces here.
Yes, you can make small pieces.
Small pieces here. Okay, I'll go closer.
You
I'll
can
my
remove your socks first.
Yeah. People worshipping here as well, the Ganga River. Again now, she's going down with her feet. Okay. See all the fish here. It's so crazy. And now I feed them. Come on, fishy. There's a lot of fish. I'm not sure if they don't fish here because around this area, because there's so many. Maybe they're holy, or maybe they're just all vegetarian here. That's also a possibility. Hundreds of fish, big fish. But now let's go up here in the small caves where there's holy men, and I can hear there's a lot of stuff going on up there. So another cave here. So let's go inside. There's a shrine here, and next to this shrine there's some holy men inside, and now I want to see if there are some Aghoris or some Nagas. I'm not sure, because again I think they are already at the Kumbh Mela. Let's go inside the cave. When you come these places, you can also donate some money for the wood and for the food, and they also even give like poor children food, so you can donate something, big, small, doesn't matter. Only if you like, you don't need to. I just give some small money, so I know they can, have wood, they can have some food, they can, just like they gave me the sweet things, the prashad, so they can give other people as well coming here, people in that way, just like me. And I like that, so yeah, that's why I donate also. Sitting and enjoying our tea, our chai here, and they are telling me that in 2013 something happened in the area, like almost a whole mountain, the half of the mountain maybe somewhere here in the area, it just crashed and fall down in the Ganga River, which means that it almost was like a tsunami. The water rise very high, very quickly, and a lot of people died here in the area. So how many people died from this?
I don't have a particular
Maybe
number.
they know.
कितने लोग मर गए होंगे उसमें around? 50,000 के करीब. Around 50,000 people died.
50,000?
Around 50,000 people die because Ganga is coming from the long way, and this thing will be happened in a Kedarnath temple. Like there was a very big lake and something, a big stone is fell into the
Yeah, like a mountain.
Yeah, like a mountain.
And then the mountain, or half of the mountain, fell in the Ganga River, and then it rised.
Okay, 20 and 13 June, and then the big water level, lot of water came into the river Ganga, and water flow is very high at that time. And
Very quickly, so people they drowned.
People will be not ready for this strategy. And a lot of people die in this strategy.
And no one could warn them because it was just nature.
Yeah, just because of nature.
Yeah. Wow. So imagine this area here. There was a mountain collapsing, and I could see when we were driving in the mountains, there are like roads, there are like a lot of rocks, all the places and stuff. So the mountains can easily somehow break, and this happened. It was just like half of a mountain inside the Ganga River, and then it went very fast, and a lot of people died. 50,000 people?
Around 50,000 people. They
Wow.
are saying me a number like around 50,000 people will die.
But not only here, but
Not only different places.
different places around the Ganga River. 50,000. These are crazy numbers. So just imagine a mountain can collapse inside the river here, and it can probably happen again. And then it will rise, and then it will make a tsunami reaction kind of, and then then you're finished. Just imagine to have a home here. This is someone's home. Right now we have like 2.5 hours back to our homestay from this nice place here, but my bum is hurting like hell. So I'm trying to get a taxi instead, and then my friend, he will drive alone on the motorbike back. But the problem is, no one want to drive this route because I don't know if you saw it, but in the mountains there's a lot of landslides all the time, and many people lost their lives all the time. And also I asked a local guy from here, and he tried to ask his mom if it was okay that he could borrow the car to drive me back for an okay amount of money. But mom said no, because mom was afraid for his boy to get in an accident here at nighttime, especially because of all the landslides up in the mountains here where we are going back. So, but now, finally, after, I don't know, we called maybe 8 people or something, we found one. Now I will be going back with a taxi instead, but it's very difficult to find drivers in the night here who will go this way, because it's very, very risky. Maybe one of India's most dangerous roads. We're now in another place here where the Nagas, they often stay. As you can see here, this is from the Snan in Haridwar? Haridwar Snan. Kumbh Mela, yeah, Haridwar. So this is just before they jump in the water, and I'm going to see this as well, just in Prayagraj in a few days, where the big festival is. Actually, we thought that everyone left for the Kumbh, but we actually have one real Naga Sadhu here. He's not left yet because he's kind of the caretaker of this place here. What is it called, this temple?
This is Satnam Juna Akhada. Sri Panch Naam Das Juna Akhada.
The oldest.
Sri Panchadas Naam Juna Akhada.
And the oldest in Haridwar.
The oldest ashram in Haridwar who belongs to
Oldest
oldest.
in India. Not in Haridwar, it's oldest.
Oldest temple in India.
Oldest akhada in India.
Akhada. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wow. How do you feel about not going to the Kumbh? It's okay for you? You need to be here?
ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आप
हाँ फीलिंग तो है बाकी अब यहाँ पर रहना जरूरी है
for him duty comes first.
Yeah.
And he Kumbh, he will go if somebody else comes, then he will go.
Okay.
Otherwise, he
Yeah.
has to be here only.
Yeah. So if another Naga comes here and take
Yes.
care of this, then he can go.
Any of the higher authorities, if they send, then he can only go. Otherwise,
Ah.
he will be going.
Okay.
You will find him here
Yeah.
only.
So now.
हमारे गुरु लोग हमें ऑथराइज करेंगे तो तभी हम वहाँ पहुँच पाएंगे
Only his guru can guide him to come.
Yes.
Otherwise, he won't move from here.
Yeah. So he still have a guru. So he's like a student now.
Yes, everybody has a guru.
Yeah. But
It's a
also if you're like fully educated Naga, you still have a guru.
Still you have a guru.
Ah. Is he fully educated or still under education?
No, he is fully Naga.
Fully Naga now. Wow. It was because yesterday I met Naga in a student Naga in a temple. He studied for 6 months. So he was not a fully Naga yet.
It's not study, it's the realization you get when you have experience with your guru and the places you visit.
Yeah, but it's the guru who decides if you're Naga, right? Like
You have to follow
finished Naga.
You have to follow the processes given by the guru.
Yeah. And then the guru decides if you're ready or not.
Yes.
Ah, okay,
And
okay.
during Kumbh, they offer these positions. Naga
वेरी
Sadhu.
ओल्ड प्रोसेसिंग है ना ये
Yeah.
काफी पुरानी प्रोसेसिंग है
Ah,
जिससे
okay.
हम होते हुए आ रहे हैं इनको बताओ कि ये काफी प्राचीन परंपरा है जिसको हम फॉलो करते हुए यहाँ तक आ रहे हैं
Yeah.
So this is a very old tradition here. Like lot of new people come here who want to be a Naga Sadhu, and he found a guru for himself.
Yeah.
And the guru can teach him all the things like how to do prayer, how to do
Yeah.
meditation, and all that thing. And then guru will be decide like you are eligible to make a Naga for Naga Sadhu or not. So
Okay,
This
so-
is the oldest and a long process. Like this is not like a college, like you need to go school and
No.
do preparation. So this is the process, like depends on your mindset, depends on your soul, depends
On
depends
dedication.
like-
कितना कर्तव्य से, how
Yeah,
much
and your
dedicated you are towards
dedication.
your-
Yeah. So this is one of the best. I mean, this is one of the best places where people they come and then they can get a guru if they want to learn.
Yes.
Ah.
But it's up to guru also to choose his disciple.
Yeah. So he can also say no.
Yes. He can also say no to any disciple who comes.
So he's also a guru from another one. So another one has him as a guru also.
के चेले हैं जी?
हाँ है हम भी बना सकते हैं चेले जैसे हम
Yes,
किसी के
he also has disciples.
He's also learning people.
Yes. He
Okay.
also educating others.
From which age did you become? Did you decide to become a Naga? 11, 12. How old are you now?
25 years से तो हम कर रहे हैं इस
From
चीज
past 25 years, he is following the Naga Sadhu.
Oh, okay,
tradition.
okay.
From
So,
past 25 years.
so for 25 years, he have been like following this path.
Right.
Oh, okay.
From the age of 11, he entered and he taken the path of being a Naga Sadhu.
Yeah. So how did you decide to become a Naga Sadhu? How did it come to your mind?
हाँ दिमाग सही
यानी कैसे सोचा आपने कि मुझे नागा साधु बनना है, ये जानना चाहते हैं?
बस हमें प्रकृति से प्रेम है उसी से ये सब चीज़ें जागृत अध्यात्म से जैसे हम मतलब इनको बताओ कि हमारा जैसे सनातन है हम सनातन धर्म के पुजारी हैं कहने का अर्थ है तो इसी से हमें इस ओर के प्रति मतलब जागृति हुई किसी के कार्य क्रियाकलाप के प्रति होता है और कोई आस्था लेके मठ मंदिर या सनातन के तरफ को आ जाता है बस उसी से मन के अंदर ये सब चीजें आती हैं
It's just feeling from his heart.
Yeah.
He thought like that I need to be Naga Sadhu or I need to know about the traditions, what Sanatan is saying.
Yeah.
So he entered and taken the path. So step by step, he get into this tradition.
Do you have parents? Did you leave you have parents and you needed to leave them?
हाँ, परिवार तो होता ही है,
Yes.
So you have parents?
हम अटैच नहीं रहते
But
बस,
with the
नो
time,
अटैच.
with the time being, they get detached from family.
Sorry?
They get detached from the family
Yeah.
because they have their own work.
Yeah.
So they have to take the tradition forward.
Okay.
So there is a detachment from the family.
Yeah. Okay.
Long
So
time से.
long time. So now you never see your family anymore.
No.
You need to leave them behind, right?
No, if they come
If they want, they can see
once in a while.
once in a while.
Yeah.
But now this is your family. Lord Shiva is your family, your
All
god.
the Naga Sadhus.
हैं?
Yeah.
क्या कह रहे हो?
Their family now. I'm very interested in, because I know, for example, when you live up in the mountain and when it's cold here, so you can meditate somehow to not freeze. Can you also do that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He stays like this only in the minus temperature.
Yeah.
He is not wearing anything.
No, so he can stay in the snow without freezing.
Anywhere.
Wow. How long time did it take to learn?
ये तो अभी तो जब तक हम हैं तब तक तो हमें प्रयास ही करना पड़ता है, और कम से कम आप ये चीज़ को मानसिक स्थिति से हम डालते हैं, या मानो 5 years, 10 years, 15 years.
Depends.
You need to practice it, and it's on a once,
Yeah.
on individual and
Yeah.
his mentality. How to take that heat, take that cold within.
So if I want to learn, because I think it's very interesting, I need to be around Nagas to learn probably.
Definitely.
Yeah. No one else can teach you?
It's up to you also.
Yeah.
If
But they know.
Any mindset
Yeah.
that you can do this
Yeah.
and you have to do this, then only you can do.
Yeah.
And if you have a grace of Guru, then you will get it quite early.
The Guru will learn you.
Yeah.
गुरु ही टीच करता है ना हमें कैसे रहना है.
Yo, so I was thinking about, is it possible to see him meditate naked, doing some kind of meditation if he wants? Yeah, if he wants.
Yeah.
It's possible for me to see, like a meditation section.
ये आपका ध्यान देखना चाहते हैं.
तो उसके लिए तो फिर हमें उस तरह के मौसम में जाना पड़ेगा, जैसे यहाँ पर अभी हम कार्य कर रहे हैं.
Maybe after
हाँ,
couple of months, when he visits his place
Yeah.
in the mountain,
माउंटेन.
Then
you
you
can-
don't do it here?
in his private chamber only,
Not in public.
not in open,
I see.
because he has other responsibilities here.
Yeah, so right now you need to be here.
We have.
Okay. But
So when he has any go to his personal chamber,
yeah.
there only he do meditation, all the prayers and everything.
So do he also have like a private apartment also, or he's just staying here?
He is staying here.
Yeah.
It's just a private chamber.
He has a private temple.
Chamber.
A chamber. When you go into the mountains and I guess also to the Ganga River, you also sit naked, meditate.
So he's any place in mountains.
Yeah. When do he go to the mountains then? When do he have time for that practice?
After next 3-4 months, he will visit his place in the mountains. Then you can follow him.
Okay, in that way.
And right now, I guess every Mahatmas are down to Prayagraj.
They are all there.
Yes.
Because I was up there.
Yes.
I saw the caves and everything, very exciting.
But every sages are to the
अभी
Prayagraj.
3 महीने के लिए उधर, 3 months.
For 3 months, everybody will be busy in Prayagraj.
Yeah. And then they will go back to their
They will
places.
go back and check their
Cave and ashram.
Yeah, exactly. So I know the Aghoris, they are making like rituals on dead bodies and stuff like that. What kind of rituals do you have, or you only meditate?
ये जानना चाहते हैं जैसे अघोरी वो मृत शरीर के ऊपर कुछ क्रियाएं वगैरह करते हैं, तो वैसा कुछ आपका भी कुछ क्रिया रहती है या आपका साधना ही है सिर्फ?
You also get energy from dead bodies or something like that?
उसके लिए भी हमें उस क्रिया में जाना पड़ेगा, मतलब कहने का अर्थ है कि हमें उस चीज़ को, उन नियमों को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा। जैसे अभी हम सात्विक तरीके की पूजा करते हैं, जैसे जो कुछ भी हम पूजा पाठ अभी कर रहे हैं वो सब सात्विक तरीके की पूजा पाठ कर रहे हैं। जैसे हमें अघोर क्रिया करनी है, फिर हमें वो वाले नियमों को फॉलो करना है, उस तरीके से अपने शरीर को ढालना है और उतना समय उस क्रिया में देना है। तो हम उस चीज़ को भी फॉलो कर सकता है, वो कोई भी कर सकता है उस चीज़ को फॉलो, लेकिन हमें सिर्फ उन मंत्रों का आह्वान तो करना पड़ेगा ना। अभी जैसे हम सात्विक तरीके से पूजा कर रहे हैं, जितना हमें गुरु ने बताया है, अगर हमें अघोर क्रिया में जाना है तो फिर हमें उन नियमों को फॉलो करना है।
There are separate rules and regulations for Aghoris and for these Naga Sadhus.
Yeah, I know.
He is Sattvic, like they can't offer non-veg, liquor, anything. They can't use.
You're vegetarian, yeah.
They are only veg.
Yeah.
And this is decided by the Guru, which process you have to follow.
Okay.
So he is following Sattvic niyams, Sattvic rules.
Yes.
So he can't comment on those rituals followed by Aghoris. And
No, the Nagas, they don't do them.
The Nagas only do. They are two separate.
हम चूज करेंगे ना
Yeah.
ऑप्शन।
There, once you complete a Naga process, then you have option that you have to go to Aghori and then you have to go to Sattvic tradition.
Yeah.
So he is
मेडिटेशन क्या करना है, हमें योगा करना है, मेडिटेशन करना है, या क्रियाएं करनी है, या घोरी क्रिया करनी है,
Yeah.
या साधना करनी है,
Oh.
या हमें माउंटेन स्नो में बर्फ में रहना है, या केव में रहना है। वो सब हम उस चीज़ को फॉलो करेंगे तब जब हम इस चीज़ में आएंगे, मतलब जब हम संन्यास लेंगे, अपने गुरु के पास से दीक्षा लेंगे, फिर गुरु हमें मार्गदर्शन देगा कि कौन सी क्रिया तुम्हारे लिए सुटेबल है, फिर हमें उसी से आगे बढ़ना है।
It's only Guru who decides that which is a best process for him to go forward.
Yes.
Being it Aghori, being it meditation, be it serving only God. It's decided by only the Gurus.
So the Guru, he decides.
Yes.
So it's only the Aghoris who do the rituals with the dead bodies like this.
Yes.
Yeah. The Nagas, do they have some kind of rituals, kind of like, do they do like black magic or only meditation?
ब्लैक मैजिक तो थोड़ा अलग है।
That's a totally separate thing.
Totally separated,
Yes,
yeah.
Not at all related to Nagas. And
No, exactly.
Not at all.
No. Nagas are more like spiritual into meditation.
Spiritually,
Yoga.
Yes, meditation.
Yoga, yeah.
सिर्फ तो उस ध्यान के माध्यम से उस चीज़ को प्राप्त करना है ना जो हमारे अंदर है। मतलब भगवान को इनको बोलो कि जो गॉड हमारे अंदर है, जो सबके अंदर, जो सबको जीवित रख रहा है, हमें उस चीज़ को अपने मेडिटेशन से, या हम जो भी क्रियाकलाप कर रहे हैं, जो भी ये कर्म कर रहे हैं, जो भी पूजा पाठ कर रहे हैं, या परोपकार कर रहे हैं, या दूसरे का हित कर रहे हैं, या किसी का भला कर रहे हैं, जो भी कर रहे हैं, उस चीज़ से हमें उसके करीब जाना है। उसे ही मेडिटेशन कहते हैं अगर रियल में देखा जाए तो।
One needs to be near to the God only, from within.
Yeah.
That's the only aim and agenda Nagas have, that we need to be closer to the God.
Yes.
And whatever things, whatever work that will help them to get near to the God, they will do that. So this is the process. And for that they do meditation, they do sadhana, they stay away in cave, stay there for longer period
Yeah.
to know themselves and from within themselves.
He's passed when he was like around 11 years old. So I guess he never had sex, right? No. Never. No. What do you do when, because I guess when feelings come, when you get erection and stuff like that, do you meditate or how do you keep these feelings away?
तो बस वो संयमित रहना ही साधना है। मतलब हमारे सारे जो इंद्रियां हैं, इनको ये बताओ कि जो हमारे सारे इंद्रियां, जैसे आँखें हैं, कान है, नाक है, वैसी हमारे ज्ञानेंद्रियां हैं, कुछ कर्म इंद्रियां हैं, जैसे सेक्स होता है, कुछ ऐसे प्रकार की जो हमारे अंदर फीलिंग होती है, इस फीलिंग को कंट्रोल करना ही साधना है। और उसी साधना के माध्यम से हम मेडिटेशन जिसे बोलते हैं, ध्यान करते हैं, वो सब हमारी चीज़ अंदर है, उसको हमें अपने काबू में करना है। हर चीज़ को, अपने सोच विचार को, जब हम अपने मानसिक, अपने दिमाग को, मतलब अपने मन को कंट्रोल करेंगे तो हमारी सारी चीज़ हमारे कंट्रोल में रहेगी।
You need to control your heart and mind. There is nothing there that can any change your decision or feelings towards somebody, you need to like ear, eyes, nose, mouth. You have to have a control on that.
And they do that with meditation?
Yes, only meditation.
So when feelings come, you sit down and meditate?
से ही हम हर चीज को कंट्रोल करते हैं.
And Nagas don't have interaction that much with the
Female or
anybody.
Anybody.
They do sadhana
हमारे
in the
लिए तो
caves.
सब एक जैसे हैं. अगर देखा जाए, अगर हमारे मानसिक स्थितियाँ हमारी कंट्रोल में है, हमारी सोच, हमारे विचार, हमारी मेंटिलिटी अगर हमारे कंट्रोल में है, तो हमारे लिए सब समान है. कोई भी आ रहा है, हमें उस चीज़ का कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ रहा है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. थोड़ी देर के लिए हो सके हमारे अंदर फीलिंग आएगी, लेकिन वो फीलिंग हमारे कंट्रोल में रहेगा.
For them, everyone is same. Male, female, man, woman, boy, girl, old woman, small. For everyone is same.
it's the same?
Same.
You don't think that way?
Those don't think that way. Because they have meditated for that long that they have control on their feelings.
Because I guess in the start, when you were a teenager and stuff like that, feelings must come, and then you learn to control it.
मेन तो हमारा दिमाग ही है ना, जो हमें पूरा कंट्रोल कर रहा है. सबसे मेन पर्सन इज आवर माइंड.
Yes.
जिससे हम हर चीज को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं.
But it can be difficult, especially when you're a teenager. You have a lot of testosterone. You're like normal people. They want to meet girls and stuff like that, you know.
But they stay with their gurus now.
Yeah. So they don't see. They
Stay away
don't.
from the normal public life. They stay away with the guru in their ashram, in their cave.
Yeah.
They don't have any interaction. It can take 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years down the lane to get the confidence in Guru that he is a perfect Naga in the coming time.
Wow.
And he has controlled all his emotions, all his feelings, everything. That only Guru can decide.
What have been the most difficult part to learn to be a Naga?
चीज क्या थी?
हाँ, सबसे कठिन चीज क्या होती है? हमारी सोच, मतलब हमारा मन. हमें सबसे कठिन चीज क्या है? हमारे मन को हमें अपने कंट्रोल में रखना है. हमारी फीलिंग, ऑलमोस्ट फीलिंग फॉर आवर कंट्रोल.
So most difficult part is to control mindset, control feelings, control emotions, and when you left all these kind of things.
Yeah.
So this is the first step and very difficult step if you want to become a Naga Sadhu.
Okay, I didn't know that. So what you can see around the temple here is actually the rooms dedicated to the. Is it only Nagas or different worshippers?
महात्माओं के, ये सब कमरे महात्माओं के. हाँ, ये हैं सब उनके रूम. ये सिर्फ जैसे जब यहाँ कुंभ आएगा ना, उस दौरान इसमें सारे नागा ही रुकेंगे. अभी तो नागा बाबा सब केव में रहेंगे. कोई ग्लेशियरों में तपस्या कर रहा है, कोई कहाँ कर रहा है. अभी तो यहाँ आएंगे नहीं. तो अभी हम अदर लोगों को दे देंगे, अदर पीपुल को.
All the rooms are dedicated to someone Naga Sadhu. But right now, Kumbh is in Prayagraj.
Yeah.
So nobody is here.
No one is here now.
जब यहाँ होगा.
But this is the apartments of the Nagas who is around this temple here.
Next time when Kumbh is in Haridwar, so those all sadhus will come and stay in their dedicated rooms only.
Yeah. In 2031.
31 में होगा अपने इधर.
Haridwar.
हाँ, 21/10/33 में. 33.
2033.
33. Okay, I knew it was around there. Yeah.
12 year.
Yeah, 12 years. You never thought about having children or a family again. It's just left your mind, right?
Their disciples are their children. यानी आपके चेले ही आपके बच्चे हैं.
हाँ.
Their disciples
They're disciples.
are only their children.
Yeah.
They don't have like
No married.
no marriage,
No.
children like that.
I know.
Their disciples are their children only.
Yeah. Wow. I think it's very impressive. I'm very interested in Nagas and Aghoris because I think what they are capable of doing with their mindset, yoga, everything is so fascinating.
Main तो mind set करना ही है.
Yeah, but not everyone can do this. This is very hard. So I respect it very much.
Yes, actually.
You understand?
ये बहुत.
हाँ, तो सबसे कठिन पार्ट इनको बताओ कि माइंड सेट करना ही है. सबसे जो कठिन पार्ट है, सबसे जो सबसे कठिन पार्ट जो इस चीज में है नागा प्रक्रिया में, ओनली फॉर माइंड सेटिंग.
Yeah, but it's difficult.
In whole Naga Sadhu journey, the difficult and only most difficult part is controlling your mind.
Yeah.
Once you control your mind,
तो सब कुछ कंट्रोल है.
But just for me, controlling my mind, it can be very difficult in many situations. So it takes a lot of time to learn.
but for that you need to have a guru,
Yeah.
teacher who can guide you. You do this, you do that. This will help you.
हाँ, वही हेल्प करेंगे.
So for that you need a guru.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. It was so interesting to hear about, and I'm very happy that I met you. I hope you come to the Kumbh also, and you can do your practice there as well. And so we'll see.
If his guru decides for
Allows.
him, then
Your guru is a Kumbh. Your guru Kumbh.
he-
मेरे गुरुजी तो ब्रह्मलीन हो गए.
uh,
मैं ही खुद हूँ बैला.
but still
इनको बोलो कि हमारे गुरुजी तो अब dead.
his guru has taken a samadhi.
So he passed away.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So, but he has his responsibilities here, so he can't move from here.
उनके बताए हुए कार्यों पे ही हमें चलना है.
So how is it? Because you say higher authority, so there is some kind of hierarchy where some people has more to decide than others. I mean, you know.
Yes, yani sabapati, mahasabapati.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
There is hierarchy everywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a big.
But how does it become a hierarchy here? Who decides who is like a leader or something like that?
वो जो अखाड़े के, आप ये बता दो कि अखाड़े के जो मेन अध्यक्ष होते हैं अखाड़े के सर्वे सर्वा, वो डिसाइड करेंगे कि कौन किस पद पर रहेगा.
The main person above, he will decide who is going to take
प्राइम
it,
मिनिस्टर फ्रॉम अखाड़ा.
like whole soul responsibility taking. Who is going to take which responsibility, that will be decided by the adhyaksh, the main body.
But who decides who become the prime leader of the Nagas?
किसने बनाया यानी?
Is it an election or?
Decided by all the majority people that he is going to lead us.
Okay, so it's kind of election by the Nagas. They are saying you are our leader. Let's see how they decide who becomes the leader of the Nagas.
4 पार्टों में डिवाइड है. जैसे अभी मेरा नंबर है यहाँ का, तो अभी मैं अपने कार्यकाल को 4 या 5 साल में, 6 साल में, 3 साल में पूरा करता हूँ. तो मेरे बाद से जो मेरा पीछे है, जिसका नंबर अब आ रहा है सेकंड में, तो वो इस जगह पे आएगा. और वो डिसाइड कौन करेगा? ये अखाड़े का एक कैबिनेट होती है, अखाड़ा परिषद उसे बोलते हैं. वो कैबिनेट डिसाइड करेगा.
कैबिनेट किसने बनाई वो जानना चाहते हैं?
वो कैबिनेट जो बना, ये अखाड़े में जितने साधु संत हैं ना, इन्हीं ने वो कैबिनेट बना रखी है. एक अपने सर्वे सर्वा उन्हीं ने बनाई. जैसे मेरे परिवार में 10 लोग हैं, तो 10 लोग में सर्वे सर्वा हमने ही 10 लोगों में से एक को माना है. जैसे सारे देवता हैं, उनने विष्णु जी को सर्वे सर्वा मान लिया. देवता तो सभी हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने विष्णु जी को माना ना. तो ऐसी यहाँ पे भी सभी साधु संतों ने ही वो कैबिनेट बनाई है. उनको पूरा अधिकार दिया है. और अगर कुछ भी गलत होता है तो फिर सारी कैबिनेट उन्हीं को बोलेगी, क्योंकि सर्विस उनको फैसला लेने का अधिकार दिया.
इसमें इलेक्शन जैसा नहीं है?
ना, ऐसा इलेक्शन इसमें नहीं होता है.
No election process is there. It's just a common feeling from every sadhu that this is our leader for this position. That
फिर सब उसका रिस्पेक्ट भी करेंगे.
and every sage has to respect his words and his saying. Whatever decision he takes, they have to process that.
So like if there's like maybe a wise old Naga and everyone likes him, and then they just decide you are our leader.
Yes.
That's a good
Yeah,
thing.
5-6 people are there who decide, and above that only 2-3 people are there. So it's a hierarchy,
Yeah.
and those people will decide कि who is going to take responsibility of which place.
वो अगर वो अपना कर्तव्यों का सही पालन नहीं कर रहा है, जैसे मेरे को यहाँ पे बनाया है अभी सर्वे सर्वा, अगर मैं अपने कर्तव्यों को सही पालन नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तो मेरे को वो लोग हटा भी सकते हैं, दूसरे को भी ला सकते हैं.
He is giving his example only.
Yeah.
That he has been given responsibility for this, taking care of this place for like 4 years, and if he is not performing his duty properly, so they can change him, replace him
Yeah.
anytime.
In that way.
Yes. So
I see.
it's decided by higher authorities only.
Yeah. So in that kind of way, he can also like rise.
he can
If
also-
people they think you're doing a good job, they give him more responsibility.
दूसरे को भी हम ही लेके आएंगे अब.
Yes.
So he can get more responsibility all the time.
With the time, he can get more higher responsibility.
Does it have any advantage to be like advantage to be like in a higher level? Do they have some kind of special
Nothing
things?
like advantage or
No.
anything. It's his
It's just the duty and the
how much
yeah.
faith everyone have in him.
Yeah, that's
It's
what
the
I mean.
faith only.
Yeah.
It's not his duty or like his.
They don't get any reward. That's
Yes,
what I mean.
nothing
No,
reward, nothing like
everything is spiritual.
Yes, everything is spiritual. Everything is for the common people only. You are coming, you are having and darshan here.
Yeah.
It's for common people only.
Yeah.
Nothing for them.
No. And, yeah. So they don't shake hands. They do more like this.
They can do.
It's up to them.
Showing respect to them that we respect you.
Yeah. So they can shake hands, but they can also just do like
Yeah.
this.
In India, we only touch feet.
That's
No
true.
shake
Yeah.
hand. इनको बोलो कि यहाँ पे shake
Shake
hand
handing,
नहीं.
it's just a
Foreigner.
rare case for you.
So it's most when foreigners they come, you shake hands.
Not like foreigners. It's just you bring your hand forward, so he just did it.
Ah, yeah.
Otherwise he won't.
No.
Nothing like foreigner or like Indian.
But when like worshippers they come here, they will touch his feet, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
He has got that position also. Na?
Exactly. So they are like looking up to him, respect him, and touch his feet.
Yeah, and get a little power from him.
Yeah.
तो बोलो कि तुम
So they actually also touch his feet because they think they can get some power, some good energy.
Positive feeling. from
बंद
him,
कर दो.
Yeah.
आज शाम को आप आ जाओ.
Some
And his Ashirwad is blessings
शाम
are
को
like
तो
having
आप 6 बजे आ
a
जाओ.
positive power.
interesting. Look here, the Naga here, in his temple of this place. Again, you can see the Nagas here. Naga is Naga means naked. This is from sandalwood.
Sandalwood.
And how do they make this like cream? So if you just rub the sandalwood,
Yes.
then it will just naturally come,
Yes.
and then you put in your forehead
Yes. Be very good for
like this,
make your
and like this. I think I have it still, right? I will get also from the sandalwood, which is the most expensive wood to buy if you want to get burned in Varanasi. So it's a kind of a holy wood for them. At least the most expensive, I know, because when I was in Varanasi, it was more special if you got burned with the sandalwood because it was more expensive and more precious. Look at this machine here. It's a drumming machine. So every night it will be drumming. So this is kind of homemade, I guess. Homemade drumming machine.
Drum, bell, and this.
Oh yeah, I see.
Three
So
things in a one.
drum, bell, and
This
yeah.
metal plate.
Who made this? I don't know, I guess. Some wise man.
Yeah.
This is Naga Baba
Yeah.
at the Ganga River here. So listen to this interview.
Yeah.
He tells me he's not a woman, not a man. He's a king body. That's what you call it, right? Yeah, a king body. In the morning, he will sit here because then there's not so many people. He will also sit here and he will sit naked, meditate, because it's also a social place.
हैरो घाट
Mm,
हैरो घाट बोलो इसको इंग्लिश में.
yeah,
this place his name is Prayagraj.
that's the name of the place.
Yeah, that's the name of the place.
This beautiful Ganga River, and he has some, I don't know if it's worshippers or something working for him, but they are washing all you can say all his stuff here in the Ganga River. Before, when he told me he was not a woman, not a man, but a king body, then he took up his pants and then he was totally naked underneath. So yeah, a true Naga Baba here. When he's doing like this, it needs to be like a woman's vagina, right?
ये योनि मुद्रा.
Like yoni mudra.
ये गंगा जी का लिए प्रणाम के लिए. नमस्कार, मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून,
He just gave me this dot on the head, and then he was saying some pujas or something, and then he like blowed in my face, and then he could feel like I had some bad energies. It would take 3 days.
क्या कह रहा है? 3 days.
ये पूछ रहा है कि आपको 3 दिन लगेंगे उसको सही करने में.
Yeah.
To stay here and do what?
इसको यहीं रहना पड़ेगा या फिर बस आना पड़ेगा?
आना पड़ेगा.
You need to be visit
यहाँ
one
भी रह
time.
सकते हो, कमरे भी हैं.
And they also have rooms available here. If you want to stay here, you can. Otherwise, you need to be come here
Yeah.
one time in a day.
And praying. How will I get rid of it? The bad energies?
महाराज जी पूछ रहे हैं कि उससे मुक्ति कैसे मिलेगी, क्या उसके लिए पूजा वूजा करनी पड़ेगी कुछ?
वो हमारे मंत्र से ही चले जाएगा.
They will do some mantras, jap.
The
will be very
mantras,
good.
stay
Yeah.
here,
Yes.
meditate,
Yes.
relax again.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then I will feel better.
वो very powerful mantra. God.
What is the name of the mantra you will give me?
क्या?
मंत्र का नाम पूछ रहा है.
वो बताया नहीं जाता. उसको बताने के लिए तुम्हें नागा बनना पड़ेगा.
If you want to know, you need to be become a Naga also.
Sorry?
If you want to know about the mantras, you need to be become a Naga.
Yeah, like
And-
a student.
Yeah.
Did you feel better?
I always feel good when I come to the Ganga river or rivers and
और
and
नदियों
sit
की
and
और
relax.
प्रकृति का.
इस पे हवा है.
He's saying you are suffering with the bad energies.
Sorry?
You are suffering with the bad energies or negative energies.
Yeah, maybe.
इसकी नाड़ी बता रही है.
The Nadi is saying.
I hope I will feel better then.
क्या करें?
Can you make me feel better?
Yes.
You can. With the mantras. What do you do when you need good energy?
अच्छी एनर्जी के लिए मंत्र का जाप.
Mantras, jap and meditation also.
The same.
Yes. Also all time.
Do you mostly sit here?
Yes.
This is
Sometime.
most your place.
Present time.
Sometime. Where do you sleep?
This is my room.
You have a room up here. Like the other Nagas, they also had a room at the temple. The Nagas at the temple. You have a room just
Anand
here.
Bhairav temple.
Yes.
Yes.
But your room is here,
Yes.
close to here. It's a nice place you have here.
Very good place, India.
Yeah.
India is my chest.
Yeah, it's in your heart.
Chest. Heart.
I understand. How many years have you been a sadhu now?
Oh, 32 years.
32. You ever?
But my age is 60.
60.
60.
So,
But I am mantra is 8 hours.
8.
He'll do 8 साल. 8
साल
साल.
से मंत्र का जाप कर रहा हूँ.
He is doing mantras jap since 8 years.
Since 8 years.
Yes.
Your parents teach you?
No. खुद.
God with your heart.
Yes.
Shiva.
Yes. Shiva. I am also all Shiva, also all time. लंबे से लंबे समय हर जन्म में मैं योगी ही रहता हूँ.
He is saying I'm a yogi in every birth.
When you found a master who teach you,
आपके भी गुरुजी हैं जिन्होंने आपको सिखाया है?
हमारा जो आचार्य होता है, जो मंत्र देता है, वो होता है महामंडलेश्वर.
Okay, they have a guru. They call it Mahamandaleshwar, like head of the akhada, Juna akhada.
what does it mean for you to be naked?
क्या कह रहे हैं? All same.
Same.
Like which kind of people who is using clothes or some kind, so they have a different kind of mindset, like you are naked or you are not, and you are just justifying these people, like if someone is naked in front of you, you are justifying these people.
Yeah.
And
And for him it's the same.
For him all
Yeah.
the things is same.
I see. Because he is also naked on the here. On
Yes.
this he's also naked. Long time has he been smoking weed?
8 years.
Since you were 8 years.
Yes.
8 years old. Who taught you?
My father.
Your father taught you.
Yes.
He also likes smoke weed.
Yes.
Your father also Naga Sadhu? No, he's not a Naga Sadhu because they don't have kids.
हम तो जहाँ से हुए वो तो किंग है ना, राजा हैं वो. किंग है राजस्थान के.
They're using this cucumber here for their feet,
Yes.
for their sore feet.
Yes.
So because when they walk around bare feet, they get some
Yes.
problems, and then they can
इससे
treat it with
खुश्की
a
नहीं चढ़ती.
cucumber.
जो
Oh,
हम
didn't
चरस
do
पीते हैं ना, वो
nothing.
खुश्की नहीं.
Also his feet here. You also treat with a cucumber. This is good?
बताओ इनको इंग्लिश में।
It will be very good for like the guys are smoking, so it will be good for less heat. Like you will feel heat in your body after the smoking, so you cannot feel after if you use this.
Okay. Yeah.
He's saying like they are just not success in the world. They are already in a heaven with the God, with the Lord Shiva.
चाय बना ले पहले।
This
The
is
Naga
like-
Sadhus, they are already
this is
there.
Like a clone.
चाय पिला के वहाँ से।
This is like a clone.
This is like
चाय
a
पत्ती
clone.
So he believes that he's already.
Yeah, he believe in that. Like they already with the Lord Shiva and worshippers of the Lord Shiva, and this is just a clone in the planet.
That's why he means he's not a woman, not a man.
Yes.
He belongs to Lord Shiva.
Yes.
He's not. Yeah.
But my body is king body.
King body.
King body.
This is king body.
Yes.
So right now he's washing my hand here.
ये है तो
Really?
अपने माता पिता की ही जमीन में है जो अपने माता पिता के घर में है और शरारत है ये बचपना से ही करने लग गया।
He's saying you are naughty.
I'm
Like
naughty.
naughty like a child, very naughty child.
Very naughty child.
Yeah.
And when I get older, also naughty?
No.
No.
No,
Better.
better now.
I'm also better now.
Yeah.
I was a naughty child, also a naughty teenager, also a naughty adult. I'm still an adult. I'm still a little naughty sometimes, but I'm getting better and better.
Yeah.
Seriously, he's saying you already have 2 affairs.
He thinks I'm lying because he says no, because I can see in your hand you already have 2 girlfriends. So you're cheating on one of them. That's what he's saying, right? But it's not true.
Very good end. But method is everything. बहुत कम है इसका।
Okay, did you enjoy your sex life or not?
Very much.
Very much. कह रहा बहुत enjoy करा है.
ये करा होगा लेकिन ये जल्दी सकलन होने वाला।
Okay, so he's saying you are not good in sex, bro. But it's true or
I'm
not?
not what?
You are not good in sex, bro.
I'm not good in
Your
sex.
timing is not perfect. Like you.
So I'm not
Like you-
I'm not satisfying the women, or
You
how-
can't satisfy any woman, bro. That he's saying like you was trying to do your
All these years I thought I was very good in bed, and now the Naga, he tells me you're suck in bed. I'm very bad in bed apparently.
you are
The
very
Naga,
bad
you
on
can
bed,
see in
bro.
my hand. Okay. What more? Damn, I thought I was okay.
ये इसके अपने माता पिता जी के जमीन से ही संबंधित है कुछ अपने माता पिता
So you are living in a house who belongs with your parents. Like you're living with your parents or
No.
separate?
No, separate.
अलग रहता है.
लेकिन वहाँ से जुड़ा हुआ है उनसे जुड़ा हुआ
Are you still connected with your parents?
No.
No, नहीं.
है यस उनको जुड़ा हुआ है
When I was child?
हाँ,
Now
वो इसके लिए सोचते हैं
they always think about you.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Like you are very good for your parents and you cannot do any harmful activities for your
No, I
parents.
would never do it. I love my parents very much.
बहुत प्यार करते हैं उनको.
दो तो रहेंगी इसकी अभी
Okay, you already have 2 girlfriends, bro, and you still continue.
Is that good or not good?
गुड
That's good. But for Naga, it's not good.
यार आपके लिए ठीक नहीं है ये चीज़.
No. But for me, it's good.
इससे क्या होगा इससे
Yeah. Don't work. See.
क्या होगा इससे उसका क्या होगा
See. Don't work. Don't work anymore, apparently. Because
ये
Naga,
बचपना में ही तोड़
Nagas
दिया था
don't have
इसको पता
sex.
बचपना में ही तोड़ दिया
So he's saying this is like a part of the culture of Naga Sadhu. So they broke these things in the when he was.
So you broke something in your penis. Yeah. How did you do that?
कैसे करते हैं?
इसको तोड़ते हैं
किस तरह से?
ऐसे पकड़ के
Just you need to hold and broke it.
Hold it?
Not hold, like hold with your hand. Like when you start to do meditation and you need to use your hand and then broke it like that.
Okay.
And
So they
so nerve
save the
system
penis
really
and then
broken.
they break it somehow.
Yeah.
Oh. And some also I heard like 2 times now smash it with a hammer.
करे कुछ हथौड़े से भी करते हैं कुछ लोग.
नहीं वो जवानों का करता है
So sometimes they use this thing for young sadhus.
What do they use?
For young sadhus.
Yeah, for young sadhus.
Yeah, young sadhus.
With a hammer.
Not with the hammer, but for a different way.
In a different
In a
way.
different way.
To destroy the... So you can't get any erection, no... Yeah. But you still need to control your mind.
आपको फिर भी ध्यान लगाने की जरूरत पड़ती होगी कि माइंड पे कंट्रोल रखना
Sexual
पड़ता
wise
होगा.
also.
Yeah.
But no boner. Wow. Then it's a little easier. Oh, thank you for your big knowledge. But I don't like his knowledge that I'm not good in bed apparently.
Okay.
Sorry for all the disappointments, ladies. I didn't know. I thought I was good. Sorry. And I'm not normally smoking, but when I'm in India, the Nagas and all the Babas, they smoke, and instead of giving them directly money, it's okay to give them some donation of weed instead. So yeah, and I do what the locals do. That's why. Places in India, you need to go to the liquor store, because in the restaurants and places there you can't buy liquor always. So yeah, they have these liquor stores here where I'm now buying beers. Sitting at this nice restaurant here in India, and now I will have butter chicken. I really love butter chicken, but it's very different how they make the butter chicken here. But this looks really good. My friend, he's a vegetarian, so he will have some vegetarian food. What is it?
दाल मखनी.
Oh, you like that?
Yes.
That's what you wanted me to have also.
Too heavy, like paneer or something else. It will be good for me.
Okay. So rice or something also, or
Rice, garlic naan also.
garlic naan also, yeah.
And this is a cheese naan.
This is only the cheese naan.
Yes.
Okay. So this is called kite restaurant. So they have kites here on the wall. It's very popular with kites in India, especially for kids. They're flying kites a lot. In a city called Dehradun, where I booked a hotel room here. So this was a little more expensive, like $40 or something. But they didn't have any other rooms. They told me probably just because they want a foreigner to pay more. But this they called a suite. So anyway, it's nice. But actually, I went to another hotel, which I booked on booking.com, JD something. And when I came, they told me, no, you cannot stay here. We don't allow foreigners. And I'm like, I did this on booking.com, and you don't allow me? Then don't even promote yourself on booking.com. So now I'm going to spend more money and a lot of headache and to go here, because my driver, my friend, he just left because he left me at the hotel, right? So the Indian people are not so good at English, all of them. So it was a little difficult. But anyway, now I'm here relaxing, and tomorrow go fly to Delhi, fly to Varanasi, make some stuff in Varanasi, some cool stuff with some Aghori Sadhus, maybe. And then we go for the film, Naga Aghoris. This is from next video coming up.
I'm totally nervous because
You can go in jail.
don't laugh. Smelly.
You don't want to be in this gang?
No, I'm not like.
Soon full videos will be out from interactions with the fiat sects of the Naga Sadhus and also Aghoris. No one from outside has ever been allowed to film these things. So remember to subscribe to see it very soon.